Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. Happy New Year's Eve. The video that you are about to see is going up on New Year's Eve, and I am ever so not surprised. I received my Allure Beauty Box for December 2018 today, December 31st. So they made it just in the nick of time. You guys know I have a love-hate relationship with Allure. Love the boxes. Customer service, not the best, but that's okay. The boxes generally make up for it. But I first want to say thank you for being here. I do appreciate it. I hope you've all had a great day. And please make sure, if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I love talking with you guys. For those of you that do not know, Allure is a $10 a month beauty subscription. I'm sorry, I take that back. It is a $15 a month beauty subscription. However, you can get your first month generally for $10. So, I will leave a link in all the information below if you would like to sign up for Allure. I'm pretty excited. I do know some stuff that has been in here, or that is going to be in here. So let's dive on in. I just took the plastic off. So this month, like I said, this is the December 2018. This was done in collaboration with Nikki Tutorials. So there she is. They always send the little magazine with information about the products in your box. And this is what it looks like when we open it. I better record there. Here. What is this? Allure Beauty Box, new look. Sleek, chic, and multifunctional. Starting in January, you'll discover our makeover of the Allure Beauty Box, including a collectible, limited edition pouch to reuse or share. What could be better than that? 6 amazing picks plus a bonus gift inside your shiny new pouch. Scratch off to reveal 2 of the products you will receive. Okay. I don't know if this will work, but I'm going to try and use like the back side of my box cutter. That's not working out so well. That's not working. Anything in the box I can use? Let's see. It's not really working, y'all. I wanted to see what was going to be in here, or in January's box. So now it has me intrigued, but it's not working. Will this work? Try one more thing. Oh, this might be working. Alright, this is sort of working. I can see apparently the box value is going to be $136. Pretty awesome. Oh, but I can't get past that, y'all. It doesn't want to come off. I'm like scratching it. It doesn't want to come off. If I had known this was going to be in here, I would have gotten a coin. You know what? Hold that thought. I'm gonna get a coin. Okay, so I got a coin and I scratched it off, and it looks like it's showing us 2 of the 6 items plus the bonus gift. The first item is a Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra in burnished bronze, and then a Way hair and body scrub, and then it looks like the bonus gift is an NCLA nail polish. So, little spoiler for January. So anyway, let's get into December's box. So this item I pulled out and tried to actually use to scratch the card, and it is from Ren Clean Skincare Ever Calm Overnight Recovery Balm. Melt balm with fingertips and gently massage onto clean, dry skin until absorbed. Okay, so it's basically just like an overnight moisturizer balm. This is cute. This is a Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing towelette. This is a single towelette. I do know that you can actually now buy these in a bag, individually wrapped like this. So that's nice that they threw that in there. And then let's see what it says about that. Oh, let's see, like there is the bag for the Neutrogena. The full price of this is $48. It says, if you're looking for a great winter moisturizer, an excellent first step is asking someone who lives in Amsterdam, not exactly known for its balmy climate. Light oils, including almond, jojoba, and sunflower, melt into skin without any greasiness or shine, and it calms redness. It's good for any skin type, even oily or sensitive. Just don't layer it under serums or creams. So yeah, I'm definitely okay. So we'll give that a try. The next item we have here is LA Splash Architect Waterproof Slim Eyeliner. This is $14. We all know what a... Well, this is waterproof. Packaging is cute. Is it? Yep, felt tip. We can never have too many of these. So let's see. The next item is from NYX. It's Professional Makeup Lip Lingerie in Cabaret Show. This is $6.99. And it's kind of like a brownish, I don't know, probably might be able to make some pretty looks with this. So that is awesome. So we've gotten some really awesome stuff so far. This is the item I knew about. This is the Juvia's Place custom eyeshadow palette. This is a mini version of the Nubian palette. I know that the full size is $20. So I do not have any eyeshadows from Juvia's Place, so I'm actually very excited that this was in here because I've heard amazing things and I am excited to give this a try. Out of there. So here is the palette. Oh, and these colors, y'all, are screaming my name. These are beautiful. So pretty. Yes. Yes. I'm very happy that we got that. And we have one more item. Squiggly sticking to it. And this is the Ofra and Nikki Tutorials. So this is a collaboration. Everglow Highlighter. You cannot become a YouTube superstar without being a master of strobing, so it shouldn't be a surprise. Anyone that I don't even know. So own a highlighter that gives you a glow you can see on Google Maps. That's the truth. And this, $35. Okay. Wow. This box, even at the full price of $15, is well worth it. Oh, this is pretty. Looks like it. Look at these colors. Those are so pretty. And this is the packaging. Like, so pretty. I mean, you obviously have 3 different shades, but I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go like this. First of all, y'all, that is so soft and silky. I went like this and did one swirl around to see what they look like combined. Oh my goodness. They're so buttery. So this is the 3 of them combined. See that? That is crazy shiny. Oh my goodness. I love it. So that is the Allure Beauty Box for December 2018. Like I said, it arrived December 31st. So it did make it within the month. Let me know what you guys thought. What you think of you know, the little mini palette, the full-size highlighter. We obviously got a full-size eyeliner, full-size liquid lip. We got a overnight cream, and I think this is super cute. The one little Neutrogena towelette. So I'm very happy with those. And then the clues, or not clues, we'll sneak peek for next month, which is tomorrow. Happy New Year. So yeah, and then I don't know if I showed you this, but it does look like the box is going to change. So yay, Allure, you know, you ran a little late, but you made up for it again with the products. So very happy. Let me know again what you think in the comments. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys with my next video. Have a great day.